Guess what? You can whip up banana sushi in just 1 minute. How cool is that? No fish, no fuss, just giggles, yum, and a whole lot of fun. Ready? Let's roll. First up, grab a banana. Go on, pick your favorite. Peel it. Easy peasy banana squeezy. Now slather your banana with your yummiest nut butter. Spread it everywhere. Peanut, almond, sunflower butter. Choose what makes you smile. Next, roll your banana in sprinkles. Let's make it a party. Rainbow sprinkles, crushed cereal, mini chocolate chips. Yum! Give it a little shimmy shake so all the goodies stick. Now for the sushi magic, ask a grown-up to help you out. Slice your banana into cute bite-sized pieces. Chop, chop. Ta-da! You've made your very own banana sushi rolls. Amazing! Line them up on a plate. Make them look extra fancy. Grab your chopsticks if you want to be super fancy. So fun! Dig in and take a big happy bite. It's colorful, it's crunchy, and it's super duper tasty. Plus, you made it all by yourself. High five! Try wild toppings or new nut butters and invent your own sushi masterpieces. Who knew healthy snacks could be this much fun? Yum!